Welcome to My InvestLow. In this video, we'll show you how to verify crypto wallet for withdrawals. Open My InvestLow website. Enter your registered email address and password, then proceed. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the client dashboard. Go to the My Wallet section. Click on Your Crypto Wallets. Select the Add a Crypto Wallet button. Choose the crypto wallet type. Enter your wallet address carefully. Choose the currency and then the network. Enter your profile password. Click on Submit Crypto Wallet to send your wallet for approval. Wait for the verification process. May take some time depending on review. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation notification or email. Go back to the My Wallet section. Click on Withdrawals. Enter the withdrawal amount. Review all details carefully. Click on Submit Request. Choose the account details to withdraw funds. Click on Withdraw. Your withdrawal request will be processed successfully. Thank you for watching.